Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get free Moonlight Crystals using redeem codes in Heartopia. So, Moonlight Crystals are very useful item because you can use them to pull on the limited Gacha banner such as this current Lemon Cause banner and maybe future event banners like this. And in the past, Heartopia released special redeem codes during event like the half anniversary. And at this event, players could claim over 400 Moonlight Crystal in total. And but don't worry, besides the redeem code, you can also get some for free through daily sign-in rewards over here. So make sure you log in every day in the game. And then to redeem a code, you can just simply tap on settings, this one, and then just tap on this redeem code, this one, this button, and then next just enter the code and then just tap on redeem. And then if the code is still valid, the rewards will be sent directly to your in-game mailbox over here. This one. You will get the message with the rewards like this, for example like this. But in here for this time there are no new redeem codes that reward Moonlight Crystals, so I can't show you the step directly on here on this tutorial, but you can just keep an eye on the next major Heartopia event, as the developer may release new redeem codes in the future. And okay, that's all for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!